Hello everyone. Today we'll learn about integrating Firebase to our Android project. So the steps are pretty basic and we'll look at them shortly. As you can see, I have opened my Firebase console. Click on this add project option and give a name to your project. Suppose Andy Test. You can give any name to your project, there's no limitation. Click on continue. And if you want Google Analytics enabled for your project, you have to check this option. Okay, it will be checked by default and click on continue. Now you have to select an account. I am selecting my default account for Firebase and click on create project. Now it will take a few seconds to create your project and you have to wait for that time. Okay, so once your project is created, you'll get this continue option and a title saying your new project is created. Click on continue and you'll be redirected to your new project. Once you are there, there will be an option named Android right at the dashboard. Click on this and it will ask for a package name. So open your Android Studio, go to manifest.xml and copy this package name from your Android project. Paste this. You can also give a nickname and Shavan, but we'll not worry about that for now. It's optional. Okay, so click on register app. After your application is registered, it will give you an option to download Google Services.json. Download that file and read the instructions. It says you have to copy this file under the app directory of your project. So we'll go to our downloads, show in folder. You copy this file and go to Android Studio and change the project structure from here. Go to project structure, okay, and then under the app paste this, okay, and paste this. Now let's continue our steps. Okay, click on next and adding Firebase SDK. Let's see the instructions. It says check the following line in your build.gradle, that is project level. Okay, let's go to our project level build.gradle. We see that Google repository is already added. Okay, we don't need to worry about that. Next, it says add this line in your dependencies. Okay, let's copy it and add this. After this, it says check you have the following line. We have to check there's a Google repositories in all project section. In fact there is, we don't need to worry about that. Okay, going ahead, we see that we have to add a few lines in our module level build.gradle. You can either do this for Java or Kotlin. There's only one change, that is this implementation. If you are for Kotlin, there's -KTX added, and for Java it's this implementation, nothing else. Okay, so it says add this line, so we'll copy this and we'll add this in our module level Gradle, sorry. Okay, we add the plugin here and import Firebase BOM. So the Firebase BOM is a new thing that is responsible for handling your versions. Earlier what happened, that every feature we used in Firebase had to be specified with a version, but this implementation handles the version all by itself. You just need to add what version of BOM you are using, and the other features are compatible by default. Okay, they are handled, the versions are handled by BOM. Okay, now the next implementation we have to add is Firebase Analytics. Okay, let's add the Firebase Analytics implementation. Next, it says you have to sync. Okay, let's sync. While that's syncing, let's see what are the next steps. It says you are all set. So we have successfully integrated Firebase to our project. This is all the setup that is required. These steps are pretty basic, and after this, if you have to use some features like Firestore or real-time database, you just have to go to docs. Okay, go to docs and you'll see a build section there, right? Go to the build section and let's see, it's successfully synced. There are no errors we have set up. Okay, in the build section you see, if I have to integrate Cloud Firestore, we'll go to Cloud Firestore and get started, right? So once we are there, you see we only have to add this Firebase implementation. We have already added the BOM implementation, so only Firebase Firestore is required. Okay, like this all the implementations are added. You only have to add those implementations, the features of which you are using. Okay, this was the complete setup. Thank you.